Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of Snapchat being temporarily disabled. So for that you need to first figure out whether it is the problem of Instagram being down or is it your device that is causing the problem. So if the Snapchat is down, then you need to go to Twitter or any other social media app, and there you will be able to know whether Snapchat is down for everyone else or not. And if it is only down for you, then you need to just go on Play Store or App Store and update your Snapchat. And even after that, if it doesn't work, then you need to head up to your app settings. For that you need to just click on settings, then scroll down and you will find this option of apps. Here you will find this option of manage apps. Just click on it, then search for Snapchat over here, and after that just click on Snapchat. And then you need to click on this option of storage, or you will also be able to see this option of clear data. Just clear up all the data, as it will remove all the corrupted files, and then you will be able to use Snapchat again. And this is how you can fix this issue. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.